Now next conversion, octal number to decimal. Take example 1 4 in an octal number, base of 8, convert into decimal. Same method here. Write the all digit with the distance, and every digit multiply by the 8 with the power its position. Why 8? Because we are converting octal number. Octal number have 8 different different numbers, so every digit should be multiplied by the 8 with the position as a power. So 4 is multiplied by the 8 power 0 plus 1 multiplied by the 8 power 1. Here 8 the power 0 is 1, so 4 multiplied by the 1 plus 8 multiplied by for 1 multiplied by the 8. 8 the power 1 is 8, so 1 multiplied by the 8. Now next step is 8 1 ja 8 plus 4 1 ja 4. Add all numbers. 8 plus 4 is 12. So 1 4 base of 8 is equivalent to 12 as a decimal. Now next example 202. Write all digit with the space, and multiply by every digits with the 8 and position as a power. So first digit is 2 multiplied by the 8 power 0 plus 0 multiplied by the 8 power 1 plus 2 multiplied by the 8 power 2. Next step 2 into 1. 8 the power 0 is 1. So 2 multiplied by the 1 plus 0 multiplied by the 8. 8 the power 1 is 8. So 0 multiplied by the 8. Plus next 2 multiplied by the 64. 2 the power 8 the power 2 is 64. So 2 multiplied by the 64. Now next step is 2 into 64 is 128 plus 8 into 0 is 0 plus 2 into 1 is 2. Add all numbers. 128 plus 0 plus 2 is 130. So 10202 in an octal number is equivalent to the 130 in the decimal. Now next conversion, hexadecimal number to decimal number. Take example 9c base of 16, means as a hexadecimal number convert into decimal number. Same method here also applied. Write the digit with the distance. So 9 and next is C. C is the equivalent 12. So 12 multiplied by the 16 power 0, because its position is 0. So 12 multiplied by the 16 power 0 plus 9 multiplied by the 16 power 1. Its position is 1, so power is 1. Now next step is 9 into 16. 16 power 1 is 16 plus 12 into 1. 16 the power 0 is 1. So 12 multiplied by 1 is 12. Now next multiplied 9 into 16 is 144 plus 12 into 1 is 12. Add all the term 156. So 9C hexadecimal number is equivalent 156 as a decimal. Now next example, (63) E in hexadecimal convert into decimal. Same step, same method here. 6(3)E. Write the distance. E is equivalent to 14. So now next step is 14 multiplied by the 16 power 0. Its position is 0, so power is 0, plus 3 multiplied by the 16 with power 1, position is 1, so power is 1, plus 6 multiplied by the 16 power 2, its position is 2 power, so power is 2. Now next step, 14 multiplied by the 1, 16 the power 0 is 1, so 14 multiplied by the 1 plus 3 multiplied by the 16, because 16 power 1 is 16, so 3 multiplied by the 16, plus 6 multiplied by the 256. 16 square is 256, so 6 multiplied by the 256. Now next is 14 ones are 14 plus 16 threes are 48 plus 256 multiplied by the 6 is 1536. Add all numbers, it is 1598. So 63E in the form of hexadecimal is equivalent 1598. Hello students, welcome once again. Today we seen conversions, second type of the conversion. In this section we seen a conversion any other number system to decimal number system. First, convert binary number into decimal number. Take example 100 in the form of binary, means base of 2, convert into base of 10. Keep in your mind a thing, digits have a position. First digit is 0, second digit is 1, third digit is 2, fourth digit is 3, and so on. Right, first step, write all digit is with the distance. Every digit should be multiplied by 2 and position as a power. Now first digit is 0 multiplied by the 2 with the position is 0 as a power, plus second digit is 0 multiplied by the 2 power 1, because its position is 1, plus next digit is 1 multiplied by the 2 power 2, plus multiply by 1 with the 2 power 3. Now next step is 0 multiplied by the 1, 2 the power 0 is 1. If any number have a power is 0, its value is 1, so 2 the power 0 is 1. So 0 is multiplied by the 1 plus 0 multiplied by the 2, 2 the power 1 is 2, so 0 multiplied by the 1 plus 1 multiplied by the 4, 2 the power 2 is 4, so 1 multiplied by the 4 plus 1 multiplied by the 8, 2 the power 3 is 8, so 1 multiplied by the 8. Now next step is 0 multiplied by the 1 is 0, 2 multiplied by the 2 is 0, 1 multiplied by the 4 is 4, and 1 multiplied by 8 the 8. Add all digits. 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 0 is 12. So number is 100 is equivalent to 12 in decimal. Take another example. 100 111 base of 2 means binary converted in a decimal. Write all digits with the distance. Keep in your mind its position is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now first digit is 0 multiplied by the 2 power its position 0 plus 0 multiplied by the 2 power 1 plus multiply by 1 multiply by the 2 with its position as a power 2 plus next digit is 1 multiply by the 2 power 3 plus 1 multiply by the 2 power 4 plus 0 multiply by the 2 power 5 plus 0 multiply by the 2 power 6 plus 1 multiply by the 2 power 7. Next step is 1 multiply by the 0. 2 the power 0 is 1. So 0 multiplied by the 1 plus 0 multiplied by the 2 plus 0 multiplied by the 4. 2 square is 4 plus 2 the power 3 is 8. So 1 multiplied by the 8 plus 1 multiplied by the 16. 2 the power 4 is 16 plus 0 multiplied by the 32. 2 the power 5 is 32. So 0 multiplied by the 32 plus 0 multiplied by the 64. 2 the power 6 is 64. So 0 multiplied by the 64 plus 1 multiplied by the 128. 2 the power 7 is 128. So 1 multiplied by the 28. Now next step is 1 multiplied by the 28 is 28 plus 0 multiplied by the 64 is 0. 0 multiplied by the 32 is 0. 1 multiplied by the 16 is 16 plus 1 multiplied by the 8 is 8 plus 1 multiplied by the 4 is 4 plus 0 multiplied by the 2 is 0 plus 0 multiplied by the 1 is 0. Add all term 128 plus 0 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 0 is 156. So 1 00 111 00 in a binary is equivalent to 156 is a decimal. Now next is third type of conversion. In this section we convert any other number to any other number. Means here is no decimal. First we want to convert octal number to binary number. Octal number is higher number system and binary number is lower number system. Why is higher number? Because it have 8 different numbers, so it can call higher number. And it have only 2 different numbers, so we can say it is a lower number system. Now take an example. Digit is 1 4 in an octal form, convert into binary form. First step, write all digit with the distance. Now next step is write its equivalent binary number. 4 is 100 and 1 is 1, and write it in the 3 digits group, because octal number have a 7, last digit is 7 and 7 has a triple 1, means 3 digit. So every number should be write in the form of 3 digits group. Now write 4 as a in a binary 100 and 1001. Writes all digits with together 001 100. A base of 2 means binary. Also you can remove left side zeros, so we can write it 100 Now another example, 174 in the base of 8 means octal number, convert into binary number. Write all digits with the space 174. Writes its equivalent binary number 1001 in a binary, 7 is 111, 4 100. So 4 100, 7 111, 10001. Writes all the numbers with together means 00 1 111 100 is a binary number. You can also remove left side zeros, so you can write 11 111 00 in a binary.